Hello everyone. Today we will talk about moment of inertia, a topic of rotational motion. Moment of inertia, if you want to calculate for a single particle, then you need to use the formula I means moment of inertia is equal to mr square, where m is the mass of particle, single particle we are talking about, and r is the distance of that particle from the axis of rotation, because we are talking about rotational motion here. So there should be an axis of rotation which is rotating in this direction or in opposite direction. Then moment of inertia will be calculated by I is equal to mr square. But what if we are having a system of particles? In case of system of particles, we are having a lot of particles here like this. So if the mass of this particle is m1, this is m2, m3, m4, so and so on. Distance of this particle is r1, distance of this is r2, this one is r3, this one is r4. From the axis of rotation, perpendicular distance we are talking about here, then I should be equal to sigma mi ri square, where I is equal to 1 from 1 to n, or we can write it like this: m1 r1 square plus m2 r2 square plus m3 r3 square up to mn rn square. By this we can calculate the moment of inertia for system of particles. In case of rigid body which has a definite shape and definite mass, in this form, it can be a regular body or it can be an irregular body, but it is rigid. Then what will we take for moment of inertia? We will take integration, because we will take here a small part and integrate to it whole. Then integrate r square, a distance of a particle with a small mass. This should be taken as dm, a small mass, and integrate it with r square. Okay, now we are talking about first question. Our first question is: a ring of diameter 0.4 meter and mass 10 kg is rotating about its geometrical axis. Now we are having this single particle, a ring like this, a ring of diameter 0.4 meters, so that radius becomes 0.4 by 2